In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deny time off requests in Hubstaff. If you manage schedules or review employee availability in Hubstaff, there may be times when you need to decline a time off request. The good news is that this process is very quick once you know where to look. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without confusion. To begin, open Hubstaff and make sure you're on the main area where you can access scheduling and attendance related options. From there, look for the calendar section. Next to the calendar, you'll see a small arrow. Go ahead and click that arrow to open the related menu or options. This is an important first step because it gives you access to the area where time off requests can be reviewed. Once that menu opens, look for the option labeled Time Off Request and click on it. This will take you to the section where pending requests are listed. If your team has submitted vacation, personal leave, or other time away from work, this is where those requests are typically organized for review. Take a moment here to make sure you are selecting the correct request before moving forward, especially if you manage more than one team member. After you're inside the time off request area, find the request you want to decline, then click on Action. This usually opens a short list of available choices for that request. The Action menu is where Hubstaff places the approval and denial controls, so if you don't immediately see what you need, make sure you're clicking the Action option for the correct request. From the Action menu, click Deny. As soon as you do that, Hubstaff will mark the request as denied. Depending on your account settings, the person who submitted the request may also be notified automatically. It's a good idea to double check that the correct request has been denied, especially before leaving the page, so you can avoid mistakes in scheduling or leave tracking. And that's it. To deny a time off request in Hubstaff, click the arrow beside the calendar, open time off request, select Action, and then click Deny. It's a simple process, but being careful at each stage helps ensure you're updating the right request. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.